My name's Tom Wainwright, Associate Professor in Orthopaedics here at Bournemouth University. We've got a new study with collaborators Osman Ahmed and Shay Bahadouri looking at the rehabilitation after total hip and knee replacement. We've looked at the use of smartphone applications to see if they improve or don't improve rehabilitation after surgery for these patients.
My name is Shay and I'm a co-author on the recent publication we did looking at the quality of the apps available for total hip and total knee replacement patients. We carried out a search strategy, and from those we found over 2,000 apps currently available on the market across the platforms such as Apple and Google. From those apps, only 15 was put forward for evaluation. We used the so-called Mars scale, which looks at the quality of these apps and is divided into 5 different sections, which is aesthetics, functionality, engagement, quality of information, and overall score. We found overall a score to be around 3, which is an average. However, there is a variety of different quality across these apps, which needs to be looked at further for the future.
So where does this research leave us? Well, it leaves us with the opportunity for more research. We know that patients want smartphone applications. We know they may be of use, but at the moment, they're nothing really other than patient information leaflets put onto an app format. We need to think about in the future how we integrate them with wearable technology and remote patient monitoring so that we can truly improve patient outcomes through their use.